Financial goals. Setting and achieving them for young adults. Setting financial goals is an essential step toward building a secure future. As a young adult, you might be balancing student loans, new job opportunities, and managing your day-to-day expenses. With so many priorities, it can feel overwhelming to think about saving for the future. However, establishing clear financial goals early on can help you create a roadmap for success. In this post, we'll guide you through the steps of setting achievable financial goals and how to stay on track to meet them. Why are financial goals important? Financial goals provide direction and motivation. Whether you're saving for a specific short-term goal, like buying a car, or a long-term one, like retirement, having a plan helps you make informed decisions with your money. Additionally, setting financial goals can reduce stress. By knowing exactly where your money is going and having a plan in place, you'll feel more confident about your financial future. Types of financial goals. Financial goals can be broken down into 3 categories: short-term, mid-term, and long-term. Short-term goals within 1 year. These might include creating an emergency fund, paying off a credit card balance, or saving for a vacation. Mid-term goals, 1 to 5 years. These could involve saving for a down payment on a house, buying a new car, or paying off student loans. Long-term goals, 5+ years. These include retirement savings, building wealth through investments, or funding future educational expenses. Steps to setting financial goals. Assess your current financial situation. Before setting financial goals, you need to have a clear picture of your current financial status. Start by tracking your income and expenses for at least 1 month. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Make a list of all your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, and any other liabilities. Define your goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Vague goals like save money aren't as effective as clear, actionable goals like save $1,000 for an emergency fund by the end of the year. Use the SMART goal-setting method to create your financial goals. Specific. Know exactly what you want to achieve. Measurable. Ensure your goal can be tracked, like a dollar amount. Achievable. Set goals that are realistic given your income and expenses. Relevant. Make sure your goal aligns with your larger financial plan. Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goal. Prioritize your goals. Once you've defined your goals, prioritize them. If you're trying to save for an emergency fund while paying off credit card debt, consider which goal is most urgent. Typically, an emergency fund should be your first priority, as it acts as a safety net in case of unexpected expenses. Create a budget. A budget is a crucial tool for achieving financial goals. Create a monthly budget that accounts for your income, fixed expenses like rent and bills, and variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. After accounting for your necessary expenses, allocate a portion of your remaining income toward your financial goals. You can use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending and make sure you're staying on track. Automate your savings. Make saving as easy as possible by setting up automatic transfers to a savings account. This can be done through your bank, ensuring that a set amount of money is transferred from your checking account to your savings account on a regular basis. Automating your savings helps prevent the temptation to spend money you intended to save. How to achieve financial goals. Start small and build momentum. If your financial goal feels overwhelming, break it down into smaller steps. For example, if you want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house, break it down into saving $500 per month. Achieving smaller milestones can build momentum and keep you motivated. Track your progress. Regularly monitor your progress toward achieving your financial goals. This will help you stay motivated and make adjustments if necessary. If you find that you're falling short, reassess your budget and see if there are areas where you can cut back. Stay flexible. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes things don't go as planned. If an unexpected expense arises, don't get discouraged. Simply reassess your goals and adjust your timeline if necessary. Remember, financial planning is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your achievements. When you reach a financial milestone, take the time to celebrate your success. This could be something as simple as treating yourself to a nice dinner or buying something small that you've been wanting. Rewarding yourself for your hard work will reinforce positive financial habits and keep you motivated to continue. Tools and resources for achieving financial goals. Budgeting apps. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or EveryDollar to create and manage your budget. High-interest savings accounts. Maximize your savings by opening a high-interest savings account or a money market account. Investment platforms. For long-term goals, consider investing through platforms like Vanguard, Robinhood, or Acorns. Debt repayment calculators. Use online debt repayment calculators to create a plan for paying off high-interest debt. Setting and achieving financial goals is one of the best ways to take control of your financial future. As a young adult, you have time on your side to build wealth and secure your future. Start small, stay focused, and don't be afraid to adjust your plan as needed. With dedication and a clear strategy, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.